Well, hey there. We're ready for another week in the market. Preparation for what is going to be coming, what is to come this week. This is the week of January the 2nd through the 6th. As we can see here on the Forex Factory calendar, that today, Monday, January 2nd, is a bank holiday for the USD. You see here it's a bank holiday, so the market is closed in honor of New Year's Day. All right. So for tomorrow, which will be January the 3rd, what I do see for the USD is our final manufacturing PMI and the construction spending month over month. So we do know that this PMI and the final manufacturing leads us again, lets us know for the year. Last one, what did our manufacturing do? Do we have a good outlook? Construction spending? Are we starting up houses? All those good things that go along with determining those are economy-based indicators that we will look at. Both of those are yellow folders. As yellow folders, they're supposed to have a low impact. We do see sometimes that even though it says low impact, we do see there being some impact to the market as a result of it. But they say it's low impact. On Wednesday, January the 4th, we do see that we're going at 10 o'clock. We have the ISM manufacturing PMI as a red folder. The JOLTS job openings, again, another red folder, and the ISM manufacturing prices. So the JOLTS job openings, the JOLTS job opening is from the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, and basically it's the number of job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. Alrighty, so it's released late, but it can impact the market because job openings are a leading indicator of overall employment. Right, that's the JOLTS job opening and the ISM manufacturing PMI. Both of those are red folders. Also, we have the FOMC meeting minutes. This always, you hear me say always? This always, repeat after me, always causes a jump in the market. Alrighty, that's at 2 o'clock on Wednesday. We will have the FOMC. Basically, the feds are going to say something, and that happens on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. You definitely can expect this red folder to have some impact on the market for sure. On Thursday, 8:15 in the morning, another red folder, the ADP non-farm employment change. It's all the employment that doesn't count the farm workers. That's a red folder there. That's before the market opens. 8:30, we have unemployment claims, an orange folder, trade balance, a yellow folder. Those things usually affect the market as well, but they are before the market opens. Then at 9:45, you've got the final services, PMI, natural gas storage, crude oil inventories. Those are all yellow folders. Again, they sometimes still have an impact even though they're yellow. Last but not least, we have Friday. Friday on the USD calendar, we have several red things happening at 8:30. The average hourly earnings month over month, non-farm employment change, unemployment rate, all those are red folders. At 10 o'clock, we have the ISM services PMI, which is a red folder, always has an impact, and factory orders month over month. Okay, so that's what is set to happen in the market this week. I try to go through this video each week to kind of give us a prep as to what's coming up. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you like this stuff. I also put out other videos. Follow Educator2Trader on all the platforms. All right, see you again soon.